making is a way of just connecting into our core, into our very personal essence.
When I play music, I have to have a feeling for it.
If I'm in the middle of art and I'm not thinking about anything else, I just feel completely free. I'm just saying, this is what's inside of me and this is the paper, so I'm just going to put it down on there.
Art to me is just like one of my favorite things to do. Say it was raining right now and it was a Sunday. I would be home doing art basically.
I think this place is for everybody, like young people, old people, just anybody who wants to express themselves in a way that feels good.
Jazz music lets you build, create, just like a painter. He sees something and he paints it. There's a little bit of himself there.
CSMA has so much to offer. People with no knowledge in arts and music can come here and be enrolled and have lessons, and you will surely enjoy them.
The Community School of Music and Arts has sort of been a second home for me. It's just been a way where I can get away from anything that's happened at home that I really don't want to deal with, and I can just forget all about it and work on something that'll make me feel happy.
It was great.
She's a tough teacher. She always has something to tell me, and it's really important for all my lessons so I can excel.
Exactly.
The Community School of Music and Arts offers a welcoming and unthreatening environment for a beginner. When it all works, you know, there's a great sense of joy about it.
I'll turn off the percussive part and just listen to this section. So you might think about what kind of... Digital arts can be a lot of things. At CSMA, it's a chance for students to take their creative potential and realize it through modern technology. And in the case here, we have music, visual. Those are the two main areas, and it's a way for students to take their creative potential in both of those areas and learn the newest techniques to take their work and put it into a format for the 21st century.
As a principal and as a parent, I believe that musical instruction, art instruction are not just enrichment and extracurricular kinds of activities, but very much part of the core curriculum.
Do they all have a body? Yeah. They all have a head? Yeah. All right. Remember, deep inside here is a dinosaur who's waiting to come out. It's possible that you don't even know what kind of dinosaur it is because the clay often knows before you do. Okay? Kids need a hook, kind of a hook sometimes to get them to make school work for them.
As a parent, I'm really grateful that we have CSMA because I know that in a lot of schools they're cutting out art and music programs.
What will you do?
I taught them something about pitch and music. I taught them a science concept.
A pattern that you can remember on your recorder, that the more holes you're covering in the notes that we play, then the lower the note's going to be.
So we're always looking for opportunities to make what they do relevant to the rest of their academic curriculum.
That was great.
You learn all sorts of things about the music you didn't know before, and I mean a sheet of music doesn't contain all that there is.
Those are the moments. You know that they reached a point that they've never been before.
Art is just my life. I love to do art.
I don't know why I like it so much, I just do.